Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Calm account. For that you just need to go and open your app and you need to finish this exercise. Take a deep breath, and after that you need to tap on your profile button and tap on sign up or login. There you need to tap on, there you will see login button. Just tap on that, and if you're already in login page you need to enter your you can log in with your Facebook, Apple, Google or your email. And if you have got these platforms associated with this Calm app, it will be a lot easier to log in. Just select your platform, tap on continue button, then select your account if you have got multiple accounts, and you'll be logged in. But if you're using your email, just tap on that email button, and then you have to tap on reset password and enter your email address. Tap on continue button and they will send you instruction to how to, and they will send you instruction on your email about how to reset your password. Just follow the instruction, and that is how you can reset your Calm account password and go back to your login button. Just go back to your login page and enter your email and password. Tap on continue button and you'll be logged in, and that is how you can recover your Calm account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.